Nestled in a private, natural setting, this spacious custom-built home in the West Hills is in a prime location, backing to Forest Park. Situated on nearly 1.5 acres, it's convenient to downtown Portland, Nike, Intel, and miles of forest trails. Masterfully crafted, with more than 5,100 square feet, this spacious home offers a quiet, private sanctuary. Enjoy the abundance of natural light from the 14 skylights and high ceilings. Relax by the wood-burning fireplace and built-in shelving. The formal dining room is perfect for large gatherings. The kitchen features double ovens, abundant storage, and a large walk-in pantry. The sunroom is ready for unwinding with your morning coffee. You'll find gracious, light-filled spaces throughout, ready for entertaining or dining on the large covered deck. The primary bedroom suite is privately located and complete with a spa-like bath, including a soaking tub, granite slab shower, direct access to the outdoors, and a large walk-in closet, plus an office with built-in desks and storage. The patio is an ideal tranquil retreat backing to Forest Park. Upstairs has 2 spacious bedrooms, both with access to the expansive deck. Plus a charming window seat and a full bath. The lower level has 2 more bedrooms, another full bath, a large flex space that could be a family room or a home gym, a mud room, and lots of extra storage. A fantastic home in a prime location. It's all here ready for you to call home. To schedule your personal tour, please contact Steve Nassar at 503-805-5582. For financing options, please contact Carrie Benshoff with Director's Mortgage.